Movies get millions, even billions of views on YouTube every day. But what if you could create a fully automated YouTube channel discussing upcoming movies and rumors without running into copyright issues? We'll use ChatGPT to automate the script writing and gather news and rumors, and then use Flixier AI to generate the visuals and put our videos together. We'll start by opening ChatGPT and asking it for the top 10 most anticipated movies this year. Then we pick one like Superman and ask ChatGPT to search the internet for the most exciting rumors and news about the upcoming Superman movie. After it generates a list of all the information it found, we're going to check it along with the sources to make sure there's nothing too outrageous in there, then ask it to turn those news into a script for a video and keep it shorter than 3 minutes. We only need the script itself without any extra directions. To make it more engaging, we'll even ask it to rewrite the text into a fun, entertaining script that keeps the audience hooked. After it generates the script, we're going to refine it and make some small adjustments. For example, the intro can still be improved, so we'll ask it to start with a hook like "everything you need to know about the new Superman film." This ensures that ChatGPT creates a dynamic and exciting script. If you have a brand archetype, ask ChatGPT to adapt the script to match your brand's personality. If you present yourself as an entertainer, the script should be energetic and funny. If your brand is closer to the educator, the script should be informative and insightful. Once the script is ready, copy the text and move on to the next step. Go to Explore GPT, search for free AI video, and select Flixier VideoGPT. The first video is free, so you can try it out before making any purchases. Once you're inside Flixier VideoGPT, click Start and enter this prompt. Generate a 16:9 video for YouTube based on this script using a humorous tone. Flixier will start creating your video. It may also ask for extra details such as whether you want a male or female voiceover or if you have any specific style preferences. Once your video is generated, it's time to fine-tune it. I'll choose a different voiceover from the list here, but there's also the option of cloning your own voice if you want to make your videos more unique. I'm also not very happy with some of these images, so I'll just go over to the Media tab and click Regenerate to get new ones. If we wanted to take the edits even further, we could also open the video in the Flixier editor to edit the subtitles, add our own videos, images, or background music, and a lot more. When you're satisfied with the video, just click on Export and you'll get a fully automated YouTube video in just a few minutes. One last thing, the video we made was designed for a long-form YouTube channel. However, since it's just under 3 minutes, we can just as easily convert it to vertical to share it on TikTok and YouTube Shorts. We'll just go back to the Flixier GPT tab and ask it to convert the generated video to 9:16. It's going to adjust the format while keeping all the other details the same. This way, you'll have both a long-form video for YouTube as well as a short video for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Reels, which will help you reach more people. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more guides like this. Until next time, happy editing!